Hello, my name is Sheikh Mohammad Asif. I have completed my Bachelor's of Engineering in Computer Science from Anjuman Islam Khalsika Technical Campus. Here in JSpiders, I have joined in the month of December 2024. Here I have learned technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL and GoJava, and all these technologies, the trainers were very good and helpful in nature. They are ready to clear the doubts each and every time whenever I am stuck in any of the problems. Daily mocks, daily interviews, and each session grooming rounds help me to crack the interviews as soon as possible. Currently I am placed as a .NET developer, so JSpiders helped me a lot in getting the placement as soon as possible. Here the HRs and faculties are very supportive in nature. They helped me a lot, and thank you JSpiders for helping me out to get a placement